You're welcome back to my channel. I'm Ngozi, okay? That typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel, okay? I promise you a truckload of fun, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for your support. I'm really grateful, okay? Before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Don't forget to share them as well, okay? Yes. So in today's video, we are going to look at the types of bodies of water in Igbo language, all right? Types of bodies of water in Igbo language. Let's start. Yes. The first on our list today is river. A river. In Igbo, we call that Orimili. 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 Or Oshimili. Okay? From where I come from, we call it Orimili. Orimili. Okay? The next on our list is the ocean. The ocean. We call that Oke Orimili. Oke Orimili. Oke Orimili for the ocean. Okay? You can as well call it Oke Oshimili. Oke Oshimili, depending on your dialect. Okay? Then the third on our list, we have the sea. The sea. We equally call that Oke Orimili. Oke Orimili or Oke Oshimili, depending on your dialect. Okay? We call it Oke Orimili. Okay? Good. The next on our list is the lake. The lake. We call that Odomili. Odomili for the lake. Odomili for the lake. The next one is the stream. The stream. We call that Iyi. Iyi for the stream. Iyi for the stream. Okay? Yes. Then we also have the spring. That's the spring water. Okay? The spring. We call that Mmili Okute. Mmili Okute. Mmili Okute. Okay? Very good. Alright, let's repeat ourselves. Ocean. Ocean. Oke Orimili. The ocean. Oke Orimili. Oke Orimili. Or Oke Oshimili, depending on your dialect. We also have the sea. The sea. Oke Orimili. Oke Orimili. Or Oke Oshimili. Then the river. The river. Orimili. Orimili. Or Oshimili, depending on where you come from. Okay? We call it Orimili. Then we have the stream. The stream. Iyi. Iyi. Then the spring. The spring. Mmili Okute. Mmili Okute. Then the last but not the least for today is the lake. The lake. Odomili. 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 So now we know. Okay? Thank you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell to get all my new uploads. Don't forget to share as well, okay? Let's get the whole world speaking the Igbo language. Igbo Mwakakwan, Afanka Bokwa Ngozika. Bye!